So I'm going to attempt to cook a turkey in my kiln. Now, why am I doing this? Is a fair question. So I met an interesting man who told me that there's this high temperature method for cooking turkey, and it takes about an hour and 15 minutes, hour and 20 minutes, at temperature 260, which is hotter than a normal oven goes, but actually not that hot in terms of a kiln. So the idea is it cooks really quickly, and then the meat doesn't dry out. After it's reached temperature, which is, like I say, about an hour and 15 minutes, which is 170 degrees, and you test that by sticking one of those meat thermometers in. You then just let it rest for 25 minutes. So we're just going to give it a go. This is the dry run. It's 2 weeks before Christmas, and I suspect with a turkey this large, because you can never get small turkeys, I'll be sick of it by Christmas. But anyway, let's give it a go. So, according to the recipe I found, which is of course American, you baste it with lots of lovely olive oil. And you've tucked the wings underneath. So I've got my turkey sitting. Oh, I had my hobby kiln, because I'm not using my big one, is actually quite small. It's 34 centimetres by 34 centimetres. So sadly, I had to cut the parson's nose off. So we can stick it there. The wings you fold underneath so that they don't get charred, overburned. So there we are. Nice little bit of that. Okay. And now, as you would imagine, salt and pepper. And yes, you saw it here. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I think we'll cut the video there while I do something about the enormous amounts of Himalayan pink salt that I have distributed, not just on my turkey, but all around the kitchen. So I'll see you soon.